This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhone appreview.com. Today we're taking a look at yet another application via video review, and the app today is called Exact Exchange. It's on my springboard right there ready to go, and this puppy is available for $1.99 in the App Store. And that's pretty much all we need to say about it, other than it is a currency/monetary conversion application, which means that it will take your dollars or whatever else you happen to be dealing with and will turn them into foreign currencies, quote unquote. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and boot this up and show you how it works. I do have it set naturally to the pound because it's kind of how my brain thinks, so we're stuck there. Yeah, we're just going to be doing it that way. For obviously, if you happen to be using the dollar, it's going to be the same exact methods, so don't freak out about it. Okay, so Exact Exchange, as we mentioned, is a currency conversion application with a specific focus on allowing you to translate bills and things so that you have an exact idea of how much you'll actually be paying for, say, a restaurant tab or a bill while you're out traveling, etc., etc. All of that stuff. And because the app comes with multiple cards, quite a lot of them, it allows you to track several different currencies if you happen to be doing a Euro tour or, say, a tour through Asia or something like that. Not much use in the Americas, except for maybe if you're doing a really wide tour through Canada, United States, and Mexico. But anyway, to explain how this works, you simply set your base currency, which I've already done via doing Great Britain pounds. No, I do not, excuse me. And then hit this button, so you set your currency via country, and you can add up to 7 of these if you would like, which is quite nice. Again, if you're dealing with a couple different currencies, you can do that. So that's there, and then to modify this to get a report on a specific foreign currency, simply tap this button up here and go find it. So I'm going to translate this my Great Britain pounds into, shall we say, Russian rubles. And you also can do a specific currency conversion factor for MasterCard and Visa, who are the 2 biggest companies providing credit cards, obviously. So this is again geared towards your personal transactions via one of these cards. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit Visa, so that's what I have. And it'll ask you if you want currency information as far as cross-currency markup fees go, or markup free. And no, I don't. So there we have that, and then you get your currency conversion factor. So 1 pound equals 50 rubles, and 82 whatever's below a ruble, I don't actually know. And then you can type in your bill. So let's say I have a 256 pound bill, 0.00. You hit done. And then away the application goes, immediately returning you a currency value, a cross-currency markup fee, and then a my exchange rate. So all in all, you get the base currency value as well as the fees that you're going to pay for Visa. Then all at the end, you get your total sum, which is what you'll be looking for most here, obviously. So with that in mind, you can also hit this button to get a nice refresh, and of course, you have a wide range of currencies available worldwide to actually play with. So that's quite nice. No, I do not. I wish it'd stop asking me that. Then you go to the settings if you'd like, and you can modify a few other essential information items here. You can do auto update, which means it'll automatically update each new entry. You can do recent transactions. You can also do enter a manual markup fee if you would like. Aside from that, hit this button to refresh, and you can of course add different currency conversions via these cards here. So that's quite nice. To show you an example of this, and add another country, just go into Australian dollar. Currency I've not yet had the joy of messing around with. Set a country, so do Australian dollar, hit done, and then you can of course go in and modify this at will. So that's how that works. Aside from that, just to talk about interface very quickly, we do think that this application is very well designed. It looks rather gorgeous, it's very simple to use, and it's got a lot of perks in terms of being able to slide through these features to modify everything as you go along, and very quickly enter your information here as far as your bill goes. 2,563 Australian dollars, for instance. Well, I screwed that up, but we'll see what happens. And it's sort of translated. But anyway, like we were saying, the interface is very gorgeous, it's very well designed, and even though we are kind of nitpicky about design, we still had nothing that we could complain about as far as this goes. It's very quick, it's very efficient, it uses the latest currency conversion methods and latest currency conversion rates, which means that you get actual results exactly as you need them. So with all of that in mind, we are going to give Exact Exchange a solid 4 out of 5 star rating. It's also a bargain at the $1.99 that it will cost you. So keeping all of that in mind, Exact Exchange does get a 4 out of 5 star rating from us here at the iPhone appreview.com. And that's all we have to say about it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. But we'll see you guys later. Bye.